Hi, in this video I will show you how to make a magic knot. The magic knot is a reliable knot that is easy to make and less visible than many alternatives. You can trim the ends as much as you like. I am using the magic knot to change colors in the sweater that I'm currently knitting. Next, I am changing from blue to orange. To set up, take the end of your yarn and put it on the table like this. Take the end of your other strand and put it on top of the end so that they cross twice. To make the magic knot, we will now tie each of the ends around the strand that is on top or underneath it. So take the orange end and tie it around the blue strand. Pull on the ends to make sure that the knot is secure. Repeat the same thing for the other end. So tie the blue end around the orange strand and pull on the ends. Now take the orange strand in one hand and the blue one in the other hand. Pull on the strands until the knots meet. This knot is now secure. You can cut the ends short to make the knot less visible. I don't cut off the ends completely because they aren't really visible in my scrappy knitting anyways. As you can see, you can definitely cut off the ends completely, just make sure that you don't cut into the knots. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching!